Here's your weekly market update for October 13 to October 18. From gold's record run to earnings season fireworks and a brewing trade showdown, I'm breaking it all down for you in this video. 1. Overview: markets enter a packed week with Q3 earnings season, US shutdown risks, tariff tensions, and key global policy meetings. Expect volatility across equities, forex, commodities, and crypto. The USD may hold steady heading into delayed inflation prints. 1. Key economic events, all times ET. October 3rd and 11th, 12 p.m. trade balance. SEP China 96B is 99B. October 3rd and 11th, 12 p.m. Exports EOY. SEP China 5.2%, 6.0%. October 13th to 11th, 4 p.m. Imports EOY. SEP China 3.5%, 1.5%. October 14th, 2 a.m. Unemployment rate. AUG UK 4.7%, 4.7%. October 14th, 2 a.m. AVG earnings exponents. CMA AUG UK 4.7%, 4.7%. October 14th, 5 a.m. ZW economic sentiment. USD Eurozone 25.1, 30.2. October 14th, 10 a.m. NFIB business optimism. US 100.5, 100.5. October 14, 4:20 p.m. Fed chair Powell speech. US October 15, 1:30 CPI. Spisiki Echnai so Sung Yupstung Doprung 15, 1:30 AM PPI. UAE SEP China 2.4%, 2.3% October 15 CMA industrial production mo MB out again Eurozone 2.2%. One from Prokizo Delta Empire State MFG index in OST US when I know October 2 p.m. Fed beige book US do October 16 2 a.m. GDP MOM AUGA UK 0%, 0.2%. October 16 8:30 a.m. PPI MOM SAP US 0.2%, 0.2%. October 13 18 all day. IMF World Bank annual meetings global law. Notes: the US CPI SIP release has been delayed. Originally October 15th, now October 24, due to government shutdown disruptions. These inflation and production prints will heavily influence market direction and central bank tone. One, top earnings to watch: banks and major names kick off Q3 reporting. Key watch points include loan growth, trading income, provisions, and consumer strength. October 13th, JP Morgan Chase, JPM, loan trends, capital. October 13th, Bank of America, BAC, consumer lending, credit. October 13th, Goldman Sachs GS 1109 trading, underwriting. October 13th, Morgan Stanley MS wealth and investment banking. October 13th, Wells Fargo WFC deposit and credit trends. October 13th, Citigroup C global exposure Asia. October 13th, American Express AXP card spending, consumer behavior. October 13th, BlackRock BLK ETF flows, asset gathering. October 13th, United Health UNH health cost trends. October 13th, Taiwan Semi, TSM, chip demand, inventory cycle. October 14th, Netflix, NFLX, subscriber growth. October 15th, Procter & Gamble, PG, pricing power, consumer staples. October 16th, Tesla, TSLA, delivery numbers, guidance. 1. Market themes and outlook: equities. After a sharp sell-off Friday over renewed tariff and shutdown fears, markets may tread carefully. S&P 500 is testing resistance around 5,800 with upside potential if earnings surprise positively. If banks deliver strong results, financials could rally 2-3%. Weak results may drag cyclicals and small caps. Tech, especially semis like TSM, remains a double-edged sword. Hype and fundamentals must align. Energy is vulnerable to a dip in oil. Defensives like healthcare may see inflows as a safety play. Foreign exchange: USD JPY is hovering near 150, influenced by yield differentials and BOJ signals. EUR USD could press toward 1.09, 1.10 if ECB leans dovish. GBP USD will be reactive to UK data, unemployment, GDP, and BOE-Qs. Watch AUD USD closely for linkage to China trade data. The DXY index is near 104, 104.50 and may firm on strong data or ease with dovish surprises. Commodities: gold continues its rally, recently broke 4,000 ROs as reported on safe haven demand and dovish expectations. Oil WTI is likely to trade between 70-75, sensitive to OPEC Plus decisions and global demand signals. Copper is under attention as China stimulus expectations could boost demand, likely around 420 LB in agricultural commodities, and natural gas are mixed. Weather and policy moves may be marginal drivers. Cryptocurrencies Bitcoin BTC extended recent weakness, dipping to under $4,782 amid renewed trade war fears. Some forecasts suggest resistance around 125K with potential for retest in favorable conditions. Ethereum ETH followed broadly, falling about 5.8% to 3,637. Bitcoin dominance may rebound to 55%. Altcoins could lag, though utility-driven tokens, e.g. SOL, may outperform if network activity picks up. Key risk, regulatory developments, ETF flows, and macro sentiment will heavily influence direction. One key scenarios and watch points bull case. Soft delayed CPI PPI 3% YoY strengthens rate cut hopes, 75% odds for December. Banks beat expectations, propelling broad equity gains. Central bank sovereign flows into gold and crypto accelerate. USD weakens, boosting commodities and EM assets. Bear case. Hot data surprises raise hawkish tilt, causing equity pullback. Tariff escalation or shutdown spooks global supply chains. Weak earnings or macro disappointment weigh on risk assets. Crypto faces regulatory pressure. Fiat assets preferred again. What to watch? Powell, Fed speakers, and minutes. Any hints on QT or sentiment pivot? China's trade and industrial data for EM commodity flow cues. Market reactions to bank earnings, JPM, GS. FX moves around 104 on DXY. Crypto ETF flows and regulatory headlines. To follow my genuine social media channels, visit thandagreat.com.